Hello guys, today we're gonna unbox iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's see what's in the box and how is it. And here's the phone in graphite color. I love this color personally. Metal sides catching fingerprints. That's not good. Charging cable, no power docked in the box, SIM ejector, and a traditional Apple sticker, and that's it. Nothing in the box else. So let's compare iPhone 12 Pro Max with iPhone 12 Pacific blue color with the iPhone 12 Pro Max graphite color. You can see the clear distance between the hearts. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is totally awesome. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can never miss another update.